To make an E-Trade account joint, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, log into your E-Trade account and navigate to the Account Settings or Profile section. Look for the option to add or modify account owners, which is usually found under Account Settings or Account Information. Click on this option and select the choice to add a new owner or convert to a joint account. You will be prompted to enter the new owner's information, including their name, address, social security number, and date of birth. Ensure that the information is accurate and matches the new owner's identification documents. Once you have entered the new owner's information, you will need to review and agree to the terms and conditions of the joint account. This may include information about account ownership, tax obligations, and liability. It is essential to carefully read and understand these terms before proceeding. After agreeing to the terms, you will need to verify the new owner's identity. This can be done online or by mailing in a notarized document. Depending on E-Trade's requirements, the new owner may also need to create their own E-Trade login credentials to access the account. It is crucial to understand the implications of having a joint account. Both owners will have equal access to the account and can make trades, transfers, and other changes. You should only add someone you trust to your account, as they will have the ability to control and manage the account. In addition to understanding the implications, you should also be aware of the tax implications of a joint account. The tax obligations will be joint and several, meaning that both owners are responsible for any tax liabilities. You should consult with a tax professional to understand how a joint account will affect your tax situation. To avoid any issues, it is recommended that you and the new owner review the account settings and agree on how the account will be managed. You should also ensure that you both understand the fees and commissions associated with the account, as well as any other terms and conditions. In conclusion, making an E-Trade account joint requires careful consideration and planning. By following these steps and understanding the implications of a joint account, you can ensure a smooth and successful process. It is essential to review and agree to the terms and conditions, verify the new owner's identity, and understand the tax implications to avoid any issues.